Suk kan kham jai là đừng xong nó nè, inum khí nó nè, đi beli, nghiêm lại bạn nhé, bên này kendu yêu officer pelaku dengan ongan dia kendu, dangal ai kendu ong tu ingin saya keren dan ingin saya rai, menu ban song hang ni hang nu ingin song menu ban ini kendu, nghiêm lại ban rai. What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Yeah, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. That if he so at the end, he so tikna yung itap there, line up ingi check ingi way. Dia nak kata tahu konfi kata ngalak ada keren. Bala lagi government kita government. Oh, ini penting kita red deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen, sir.
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing, just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your local master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
We are following orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kali kita jingwen yang kita official Lokayukta sir, kadang nak kawin kalat sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya kita kalat?
Kalat sir, tidak beli kenduk in a peaceful way.
Oh, this is violent. Is this violent?
Ngam musim violent sir. Violent. Balum beriu, bibun beriu, bilik long. Tak kalau nada sir, kadang hati.
Hey, kita kalau nada tu peningkan. Hey, kita kalau nada.
Hakas ni sir, hakas ni Friday. Bawan Honorable Home Minister. Kuma ketua ni sir. Kami kios bagi baik.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai social media Kamdan cuk beri.
Tapi pensoleran. Paling ini darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Hari itu upor, because internet kan tu jam agak Friday ru bahasan orang masih connected masih ada sini belum plenary committee coba isi.
Kadang kabha betul kita. Bagi
pensoleran dengan represent wrong message.
Yang siapa ni?
Come there is wrong message, kadang right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai ban sudarab jat repair di surat tang perbuan ke central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, ka ko ajing kelumar ke sorkat. Bukan ko ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata, kami kampung wit. Tapi bimot banong bahkan kham.